Hello! Welcome to our first ever unboxing video. So what are we going to unbox?
Okay, so we are going to unbox our tito and tita buys nung 8-8.
Because we haven't had a helper for a few months, no? Since when?
Since May. And since then, wala kaming helper because it's not safe to get one.
That's right, that's right. So
Right
of course,
now.
we're gonna take it upon ourselves and do the chores. Kaya naman. So syempre, wala kaming helper. Sinong gagawa ng paglilinis? Kami.
So, actually, ang task ko, taga-walis every day. Siya taga-mop.
Mom. Alright.
Kaya,
we decided to get items that could help us in our cleaning task.
because ang pagwawalis pala na yan, bakit di siya nauubos sa umaga, nagwalis ako sa gabi. Ang dami na namang alikabok.
Never gonna end, no?
So, having
So?
said that, we got first a robot vacuum.
That's going to be your new best friend.
Yes, that's going to be my new best friend slash
sa akin,
slave. Sa kanya naman, mop.
A special mop. Tira natin mamaya.
Slim na mop na may rotating rod and self-spraying chuchu. May ganun siyang feature ko na. Let's see kung worth it.
Okay, let's have a look.
Okay, game! Whoa! Wow! Leah, can you step aside, baby?
Robot vacuum cleaner.
The model is model V58. So, magkano ko nga ba ito nabili?
Yeah, how much?
Parang ano kasi it was on sale ng 8.8. So parang I got this lang for 6,900 or 7,000 from 12,000 something. Actually, there are a lot of robot vacuums available. Merong mga mahal, mga 20,000 plus. Meron din na mga tig 1,000 plus lang. Eh, as you know, ako palagi sa mid-range.
Here it is.
Whoa! Okay, so what do we have inside the box? So, the brand new. We have the
Reference.
that's the warranty card and quick start guide. Oh, there's a manual. Quick start guide.
This is the actual machine.
Wow, Leah, we have a robot. What's the robot?
Our cleaning aid.
Yes.
There you go.
I asked what you love me.
Has some
I like what. I'm excited. Oh, may gulong siya. Manay.
There's some wheels, mommy.
Yup, and some. Ano to?
batteries here. We got an adapter, I guess, for charging. More attachments here.
Yep, this is the mop attachment niya. I got this separately. And I think this is the water tank. This is the water tank. So I got this separately for 800 pesos. Oh, ito yung water tank. We will figure it out mamaya. And some brushes. So that's it for the robot vacuum. Okay, what do we have next?
We got another one.
Okay, so this will be his.
My friend, because I'm in charge of the mopping.
What is this? Show it. This is the Deerma spray mop. It's by Xiaomi. So, mop siya na meron daw siyang rotating rod and meron siyang spraying function. And these are extra mops that I got again separately. Kasi para pag luma na, at least may kapalit na siya. 1, 2. Can you try to assemble it?
Of course I will.
Excited ka ng mag-mop.
Can't wait.
So there is the mop.
Mop. It's my new weapon against dirt.
Comes with a remote. Rocco, do you want to see mommy's vacuum? The new one? Okay, let's go see it. Uy! No! Oh my gosh!
having breakfast.
Good morning! We just woke up.
And
Hindi kailangang magwalis.
someone
Why?
or something is busy. I don't know where he is.
Found her! Sige. Walis ka lang dyan. We're gonna eat.
You can control this movement using the remote.
Make it come here.
Come here.
Make it turn right.
There you go. Turn left.
Left.
Come on. Sensor dito.
Sumusunod.
Yeah. Papunta ko sa'yo. Go to your mom.
I'm not your mom. I'm your master. Mas maganda siguro kung mas maliit siya, no? Para it can go in between, small spaces.
So let's check if it has really gathered a lot of dust. How do we see it?
You just have to pull it out. Yan.
There's that filter.
Ay, dami.
Hey.
Yeah. Okay.
Gotta clean it. Gotta remove the filter here. And let this. Let's see.
Iwi! So, lahat yan nakuha niya while we're just having breakfast.
10 minutes, I think.
Good job!
Good debut.
Do you want to see Mommy's toy move?
Yes.
Her name is Riri the robot.
Really, you know what?
Yep. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Now it's cleaning the floor. You don't have to sweep the floor anymore, Rocco. Di ba you like sweeping the floor? See?
Mommy, it bumped into my hammer.
Hi, Ate Ange! So, we put Riri under the bed because ang hirap niya walisin. On. Okay.
Oh no, it bumped in the headboard.
That's okay. If it bumps onto something, it's going to change its direction. Come on.
Oh, wow, okay. Yay! Robot, let's go over there again. Come here.
But it's cleaning here.
Come on. You're back.
Please call her Riri. Please call her
Riri, come here. Riri, come here.
Okay, Ate Leah. I'm going there now.
Tired of running? Oh, I know why you're tired of running. It's maybe because you're so tired. You can sleep for a little while until we play with you again. You will be my best friend.
Alright, so there's a container here that I need to pull out. And I think I'm supposed to put water. Let's put the bottle back here. Okay.
Make it spray water.
Pull this trigger right here.
Can I see again?
There we go.
Ano? Is it effective?
Yeah, the same force. The difference is there's water.
Can you make it rotate? Like under the couch?
Siguro.
Ah, okay. Yun yung advantage niya lang. Tama ba?
Suppose.
I think one advantage of that mop, wala ka nang dalang tubig.
Yeah.
No?
Convenient that way.
Strong cleaning power daw. Can I see? Convenient and flexible. Well,
So, what can we say about our purchases?
how would you rate the robot vacuum from 1 to 10?
Scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
Me
I say very convenient and very easy to use and fun to use. And you can use it as often as you want. As long as there's dirt. Yeah?
Yeah, it's fun to use kasi ang sarap, ang saya gamitin ng remote control. Para kang nag-RC na, di ba?
It's like a toy. It's like really a toy.
And what else? The suction is really good. It's strong. And
Diba when we took out that container of dust, it's really full after one full day of using it. Kaya you feel cleaner upon seeing that ton of dirt.
correct. So, 9-9, malapit na. Baka gusto niyong bumili like I did ng 8-8. Oh, how about the other one?
The mop, that's supposed to be my friend, right?
Yeah, from 1 to 10.
Sorry, around 6. I'd give it a 6.
Well, ako siguro 8.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi it's so much easier pa rin to use than the regular mop. And because of the rotating rod, mas madali. 8 because you still have to detach the piece of cloth to clean it. So, tsaka after a while, after like a few minutes of mopping, nag-accumulate yung dirt eh. Oo. So, sana merong technology na after a few seconds na pag-mop, mawawala na yung dirt. Diba? Para hindi lang nakakalat yung dumi sa ibang parts ng floor.
I'm giving it a 6 because after using it, I realized na I'd rather use my leg sweating. Not bad, it's just okay.
Yep.
Not as happy as we are with vacuum.
Well, the price points naman din kasi medyo malayo. So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's
You
just
get what you pay for.
Okay, so that's it for our unboxing and product review of these Tito and Tita buys. So until our next item
To
to
unbox.
unbox.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!